Are you another person and you're always on the road looking for the next adventure? Have you ever been in situations where you have a flat tire? Guess what? Me too. So today's video is going to be different. Today's video is I'm going to show you something that I just find and something that I'm going to try, and I wanted to try this with you guys. I had the flat tire the other day and I started looking for, because I was like, it's got to be a better way, right? Well, actually, you know, like, I know that out there, you know, there are the plugs that you can do. Sometimes those can be a little bit tricky. So I just found something new that is out there, and I wanted to see if it works. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it's pretty much this screw right here. And what you do is just you take the screw or nail, whatever that you have, and you're gonna plug this. So you might gonna be asking yourself, if this is something that works, how is this going to work in the middle of the road and I don't have a compressor? Well, I think I have everything that I need. I ordered this compressor also in Amazon. They're not paying me anything, I can tell you that, so you guys can just whatever buy your own. But I bought this one, and the reason why I bought all these, well, I mean this is cheap, and I bought this compressor is because also I wanted to give this to my daughter. She just started college, so I wanted to give this to her so she can have this, and she can also have this as an emergency, and I will have one as well. Stay with me. Let's go and try this out, and let's see if this really works. Because right now on my Jeep I have a screw. So I wanted to record this and show you, and we'll see if this works. Okay, let's go. So first thing first is that we have to locate, and there it is. But guess what? I also have another one right here, right there. So let's go ahead and do that. So look, see if you guys can see it. This is the soap. Look at that one. Look at that. Well, this is gonna be hard to do it with one hand. So, hold on. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that. I think that you guys can. Look at that. Looks like easy peasy. So now, look at that. It works. Wow. I'll be honest with you guys, I was not expecting that. I thought that I was not gonna work. Look at that. Do you remember how it was moving before? Now look at that. It works. Wow. Let's do the other one. Man, this is a big one. Damn. Okay. Genius. Genius. See, that one's still leaking right now. Let's tie that. So, you saw how that one was leaking. So all I did, I just have to tie it, you know, a little bit more. But look, it's gone. There we go. Now let's get the compressor. So we're supposed to just connect it there. There we go. And we connect it over here. there. And now we turn it on. Hopefully you guys can see that, but as you guys can see, as soon as you connect and you have the power, it will tell you how many PSI it has right now. Right now it's 15. Let's put it to work. And I put this one to 39. I don't know how to operate that one. So I'm back over here, and I will tell you, at the end of the day, I'm happy with this. These screws are awesome. They work. As long as you buy this, and same thing with this compressor. I think this compressor cost me like $20, $30. And I like that you can set up, you know, the PSI, and then boom, and you just leave it there. I like that it told you, like that you see the numbers. It took 5 minutes from 14 to 39, and for the price, and look how small. The cable is long enough. I like it. I can tell you that. I do like it. These things cost me, I think, like $10. And when you are out there and you have your screwdriver, something that we always have, water, and soap. I mean, if you are on your adventure, that means, you know, like you do dishes too. So we also have soap. So you just mix it up, boom, that's how you check. Little container, your screws, and look, the ones. I thought it was just one, but nope, it ended up being two. I did try it already, but I wanted to try with you guys and show you and share this with you guys. So hopefully this information will help you on your next adventure. Hopefully you never have to use it, but if you do this, you know, this is gonna save your adventure. You know, easy peasy, boom, 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 boom. Let's go. I'm not saying that it's gonna be like fixed, you know, forever, but it's gonna get you back in the road. It's gonna get you back on your adventure. So, and that's what is important. You know, you're out there, there's nobody there, there's no AAA, you have no signal. I mean, that's my case. Most of the places that I go, there's no signal, no AAA, you know, you're in the middle of nowhere. So this save your life. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this will help you in the future. If you like my content, you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next adventure. And thank you for watching JoJo with the Flow.